Welcome. In this video I will show you how to add a background color to a PDF. To highlight the practical benefits of this feature, we will begin by removing the bleed from a business card with a solid background color. First, we select the PDF from which we will remove the bleed. We will then switch to the Scale tab and choose the Remove Crops and Bleed Only No Scaling option. We then choose a destination and a name and save this new PDF file. And as you can see, the crops and bleed have now been removed. We will now open this file in the main window of Pyxis Imposed. We then impose this file in the normal way by simply clicking the Impose Artwork button. While we have now fitted the maximum number up on our sheet, we still require a background color in order to have bleed around every card when trimmed to size. As an aside, I would like to point out that the outer trim marks seen on the Impose sheet are selected here under the Extras tab. So we will now add the red background color via the Toolbox. We will remove the original business card and open the Imposed sheet. Then we switch to the Scale tab, where we choose the No Change Background Color on the option. This opens a CMYK color chooser, where we enter the color values of the red color required in this circumstance. Then simply click the Scale PDF button, even though no scaling is applied in this instance, and we enter a name and choose a destination for our new PDF. And as you can see, our solid red background color has now been applied to the complete PDF. This option, of course, enables us to print more units up on PDFs with a solid background color. Note that while this tutorial explained how to add a background color to a single page PDF, a solid color can be added to any page within a multiple page PDF via the page range option. For more information, I invite you to check out a set of related short videos on explorepyxis.com. Thank you.